That's why in life, if you don't take a risk, you'll never be what you want to be. Ifana nomfana nakafuka intombazana kosela thatha irisk ayishele nangabe bamlahla but at least uyenze ini 10 ngoba if you don't make a 10 and take a risk, how would you know? That is why abomama bazokutshela ukuthi bebaphila nzima kuthafa emakhaya mara bathatha ama-risk. Namhlanje abantwana basurvivile bayasurvive because of a risk. I don't know whether you hear me. Why is Mordecai? What are we going to die? What the malume ngenzeni? What the enter into the chamber? What the malume bamzobulala? What the esa? If you die, you die. Who Esther beyatshela beyangafuni wachintsha ingqondo yakho wabheka umalume. Listen to this woman. Nakabheka umalume eyeball for an eyeball. Yes, what in kumalume? What the uncle? I'm taking what you're taking me. What are you telling me? I'm entering that house. Is what in? What to Esther? If I die, I die. But at least it's better to die trying. I'm getting into the chamber. If they kill me, let them kill me for the sake of my uncle and for my people. Amen. Humble Peggy One Night with a King. You know that movie? Twins. You don't know it, but check it. Humble Peggy One Night with a King. I love ngendlela ngena ngako lo mfazi. Umbheke uhamba ngedignity. Ngikhumbuza umama. Nakanyathela hamba ngesizotho. I'm sorry, that woman bekanginto. Amen. Lo Esther what nakangena azilebulile agqokile. I think imvula beyino you go watch that movie. What nakangena islow motion nakangena azukuthi lapha uyafa namhlanje nangabe uyafa. Nawubheka lapha le movie umnyango khona ungakanani. UEsther nakabamba nomnyango aphusha lo mnyango, it was tough. Wathi nakabamba nomnyango ngamandla with force waphusha lo mnyango. Bamangala laba ukuthi who dare to touch and open the door without being summoned by the king in this land. Nakavula lo mnyango nabathi babona female figure. Imile ibheke the male figure's eyeball for an eyeball. Amadoda wabheke amadoda khona thapha bebangambamba kayi-1 bamdrayinise nentaba. But why ngededication ukuthi I'm going there? UEsther sangabe nendaba yazoyenzani mfazi uhlaniphile wabheka nenkosi emehlweni okuyindoda yakhe waya straight kuyo azange abe nendaba ukuthi bathini wayibheka. Hayi mina ngozenzisa nenkosi yamangala ukuthi hayi man lo muntu uhlala ngibheka mara le look le iyangitherifya kenze njani na. Yabona wamloya ngamehlo spiritual loyini yangithola. Amen. Nangizabazalwane, do you hear me?